Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will show you how to make hard-boiled eggs in a Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. So let's put a few eggs and let's put the bowl in the air fryer. And let's turn on the air fryer. And I will use air fry mode. I will set the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 17 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take out the bowl with the eggs, and I'm going to dump the eggs in ice water. And now let them cool for 5 minutes, and I'll peel an egg and show you what's inside. Now let's peel an egg and see the inside. Perfect, it peels so easily. And now let's cut it. Perfect hard-boiled egg. See how easy it was to make it in the air fryer? Give it a try. You will love it. Please subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for lots and lots of easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.